Hello everyone, welcome to the Jeemca Midtown project site. We're building a modern 4-story custom home with nearly 3,000 square feet of floor area. It took just 5 months to reach the drywall stage, well ahead of similar projects. This remarkable progress is the result of precise scheduling, efficient construction workflows and strong collaboration between our design and build teams. The home features a sleek, modern facade with expansive horizontal windows that bring in abundant natural light. Inside, the main floor features an open concept layout with a living area, kitchen, dining space, and a family room. There are 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms across the upper floors. Each level includes at least 1 bathroom for added convenience. The basement includes a lounge, hobby room, cold storage and a home theater located beneath the garage. A private office and kitchenette are also located on the garage level. To date, the structure, MEP systems, exterior facade, and tile work have all been completed. The project is expected to be fully completed within the next 2 months. At Jeemca, we strive to balance design precision, energy efficiency and contemporary elegance in every project. Stay tuned and follow along for more project updates.